Most homeowners think a new roof is just shingles, but it's way more than that. Underlayment. Underlayment is key. This is gonna go over your entire roof on the entire plywood to ensure you have a watertight roof. Right after that, we're able to dive into putting flashings. We wanna make sure we install wider flashings. As the water comes down, you wanna ensure that it stays down the flashing onto your shingle. If you have a very narrow flashing, water can work its way sideways and tackle the underlayment. Once that's done, we're able to come in and put our edge metal. This 2x2 edge metal is gonna go on the entire perimeter of the house to ensure that your roof overhangs are protected and no water is getting behind your gutters. Once that's done, we're able to come in and put our adhesive underlayment. This is the ice and water shield. Here you can see as we peel off, we're able to adhere it down to your flashings to ensure that all those vulnerable areas of the roof are protected at the valleys, around the chimneys, all your penetrations of the roof to ensure it has ice and water shield and it's a long-lasting roof. Once that's done, we're able to come in and put in our ridge vent. As all that hot air rises, it's gonna escape through these louvers here and allow it to have a cooler attic, a cooler roof that's long lasting. Once that's completed, we put down our ridge caps and our final product, which will be our shingles. Once the shingle roof is installed and this whole system here is followed, we're able to give you a 50-year true protection warranty with a 10-year workmanship warranty backed by Alex Perez Roofing and Owens Corning. So if you're looking for a free roof assessment, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to ensure your home is as watertight as it gets.